So, my dear friends, robot.txt file is nothing but it's a file that consists of the some code instruction which tells to the Google search or the Google crawlers to refer only some part of the website and not to refer the some part of the website. So here I will show it through an example. So what actually it will do, it gives the instruction to the Google search or the Google bot. Only refer the home part and about part. So you can go and crawl the home part, and you can also crawl the about part, but you can't crawl the login and sign up page. So here it's a text file that consists of the code. Through the code, it tells to a Google search or the Google bot that don't refer this part, this two part, only refer the this two part. So ultimately it is a code that we need to write, and we need to store in the domain directory. So I will show you how to do this process. So here we have the some syntax for the robot.txt file. That is, I will explain this syntax, that is user agent star. In the sense, this is a means this is first syntax, and these are the total different syntax that is there here. Please don't consider all as a single syntax. It's a different syntax. This is one robot.txt, and this is the second robot.txt file, like that. So user agent star, in the sense it is allowed for everyone, like Google search, Google crawler, Google bot. So whatever the agents are there, it is allowed for everyone, and for the crawling purpose. So whatever the files that is located in this URL, so whatever the files or URLs that is located in this URL is allowed to crawl, means it is allowed. So which one? Robot.txt file, what it is giving? It is giving the instruction to the Google search that whatever the files that is located in this site, so you can go and crawl. So like that it is giving the instruction. So we will see. So here this is the URL. Here you can see so here you can see the different pages, 1 2 3 4 5 pages are there. So 5 pages, in the sense you can crawl the 5 pages, like this is the home page, and index page, about, login and sign up. These are the 5 pages. It is allowing for the Google search or the Google bot to crawl these 5 pages. It is allowing, it is not disallowing, it is allowing. So go and crawl these 5 pages which are located in this particular URL. So here this is the basic syntax, that is user agent and the name of the agent. And so if you don't want to access some part of the website, then you have to go and mention that URL here, that is disallow. So here we have another syntax, that is user agent Google bot and example and the subfolder. We need to go and give the subfolder here, so that that is not crawled by the Google search engine. So here user agent. So this is the basic syntax that is written by me, not I written, but I just took as a reference. If you don't know how to add the robot.txt file to your website, then I will show here how to add that one. So here is a C panel in which you located all the website related files. So I have located all the files here. So in the root directory files, you have to go and add the robot.txt file. So this is the root directory file. So robot.txt, as you can see, so I have the robot.txt file here. So I have added the robot.txt file in the root directory itself. This user agent star, in the sense it is allowed for everyone in the sense it is a Google search, Google crawler, Google bot. So for how many crawlers are there, that all the crawlers should go and access the URLs that is located in this particular location. So it is saying that it is get allowed. So like that it is So that, like that, we need to go and write the robot.txt. If your website is small, then you don't need the robot.txt file. If your website is large, in the sense if it is consist of the more than 50 pages, in that case we need to go and include the robot.txt file. So we also have the uh, so here in the case, if I don't want to include login, means I want to include the login and I don't want to get crawled by a Google search console. So Google's not, it is Google search, it is a Google search crawler. So in that time, what happens, we have to go and so login, what we have to do, we just need to copy this URL, login URL, and we need to go for the robot.txt file. Here we have the robot.txt file. So what we need to do here, we need to add that URL here. So here we need to delete this URL. So we need to add that URL, and we need to write it as a disallow. Disallow for all the crawlers. So this page is not accessible, and because here we written as a disallow, so forward slash. So in the sense, this page is not crawled by the Google search, and we need to, if you go and remove this one, in the sense this page can be crawled. If you go and add the forward slash, then this page is not crawled by the Google search. So this is what about the robot.txt file. If you don't know how to add the robot.txt file also, here in the root directory, so this is the C panel where I have hosted my website. So in this root directory, you have to upload the robot.txt file, and this is the syntax for the robot.txt file. If you don't know the syntax also, I will upload the syntax in the description. Please refer the description for the syntax.